Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel for a wild ride. Today, we're diving deep into the Ford Bronco Raptor 2027. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Close-up shots of the Raptor's suspension, tires, and skid plates. The Raptor is engineered to conquer any off-road challenge. Its high-performance suspension, massive off-road tires, and robust skid plates make it a force to be reckoned with. The Raptor roaring through a desert landscape. Under the hood, you'll find a engine type that delivers power, horsepower and torque, pound-feet of torque. This beast can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in time. Interior shots showcasing the infotainment system and driver aids. Stay connected and informed with the latest technology. The Raptor features a size, touchscreen display, advanced driver assist systems, and list of features. Shots of the Raptor's aggressive grille, flared fenders, and unique body lines. The Raptor's design is a testament to its off-road prowess. The bold grille, flared fenders, and rugged body lines make a statement on the road and off. Interior shots showcasing premium materials and ample space. Despite its rugged exterior, the Raptor offers a comfortable interior. Premium materials, ample legroom, and list of features make it a pleasure to drive. The Raptor tackling challenging trails. The Raptor's off-road capabilities are unmatched. With its advanced suspension, powerful engine, and rugged design, it's ready for any adventure. A montage of the Raptor's performance and comfort features. The Raptor offers the best of both worlds, exhilarating performance and luxurious amenities. It's a vehicle that can handle the toughest terrain while providing a comfortable and refined driving experience. Final shots of the Raptor driving through a scenic landscape. The Ford Bronco Raptor 2027 is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of adventure and capability. If you're looking for a vehicle that can conquer any challenge, look no further.